I have made this amount right here on CPA marketing right now, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the tricks which I actually did use to make such amount right here on CPA Grip. So I actually did use this particular platform right now, which is the Eli.io, to actually go on to driving traffic to my CPA Grip marketing offers. So that's why in this video right now I'm actually going to show you how you can actually do that. And this is actually an amazing AI tool that actually goes on to creating AI videos just from text right here. And you could build customized AI videos with a presenter in minutes without using a camera, without using a studio and a green screen. And you can actually see how cool that actually is. So you could just simply go to checking out this video right here and see how it actually looks like right now.
Welcome to Eli. Have you ever imagined being able to create amazing videos with real people? Now with the help of AI, you can create engaging videos with the real presenters in minutes just from text. Say goodbye to costly studios, equipment, and real actors. Just follow these 3 steps.
So guys, you can see how cool that actually is right now. So what you want to do right now is to go on to checking out the pricing structure to this platform right here, where you do actually see that you do get a free account right now, but the free account do have a limitation that you do only have about a minute of free video credit right now. But you can then just simply go to registering for any of the other accounts, either the basic, advanced or custom account right now, and you can actually see more details for each plan right here, which you can actually take advantage of right now. So guys, once you do register for an account and log into your account right here, as you can see, you can go on to creating videos from template right here. You could create videos with an avatar, you could create videos from AI storyboard, and you could actually create videos from a URL. Maybe if you do have a blog post which you want to convert to a URL, you can, or to a video right now, you can actually use this particular section. And you could also create video from a PowerPoint file or a PDF file right there. So right now I'm just going to click on start with an avatar right now. And right here guys, you're going to be shown a lot of avatars which you could take advantage of. Supposing I do go to selecting this avatar right now, I'm just going to click on that plus icon right there, and I can just simply go on to creating a simple video right now with this particular avatar. What you want to do right now is to just simply create a short video right here in this section, which says, in this section right here, you want to put in the script to the video which you want to say right now, or what you want this AI avatar to go on to saying. And you can actually generate a script right here with the help of this AI tool called ChatGPT. You can just simply ask ChatGPT, maybe if you do have an offer right now which you want to promote from CPA Grip, you could then just simply go on to logging into your account. And if I do log into my account right here, I'm just going to go on to filtering offers from any country of my choice, maybe the United States. And how do you do that? You want to go on to the offer tools section, click on my offers and filter offers to the United States demographic, or you could just simply go on to selecting any other demographic of your choice right now. You could select the United Kingdom right here and do go on to promoting offers to this particular website right now, or this particular demographic right here. So right now guys, if I do select a giveaway offer, maybe a gift card giveaway offer, I'm just going to head on to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a very short article. So I asked ChatGPT to write a very short article on gift card giveaway and also indicate that the link will be in the video description for a gift card giveaway. And right now guys, ChatGPT is actually going to do the work right here and go on to writing this article right now. So right now guys, you can see ChatGPT came up with a cool text right here, which I can actually do go on to maybe copying right now. And if I do copy this text right here, I'm just going to go on to copying this and head back to this particular platform called Eli.io, and actually do go on to pasting that in right here. So if I do paste in that right now guys, and I do go on to clicking on play right here, this AI is actually going to go on to using this particular script to go on to reading that script right now. But it's not actually going to show right here in this page right now. It's going to show after you're actually done generating this particular video right now. So you can actually do go on to selecting background images which you want to use right here via this element section. You can check out images, videos, stickers, GIFs and laureates right here, and you could actually do go on to seeing all, where you can actually see more stuff right now. You could also go on to changing your avatar right here. Maybe if you don't like this avatar anymore, you could actually go on to changing that, and you'll be able to see that right here in this section. Once this actually loads up, you can see that there are actually lots of avatars which you could just simply go on to taking advantage of and using right now. You would also go into the upload section right here. Maybe if you don't want to upload an image, a video, or something quite similar to that, you can actually do upload right here in this section. You could also go into uploading maybe an image which you want to use as an avatar. This platform is also going to help you do that right here. You could record some stuff right here on this platform, adding animations, music, and templates right here. And make sure you do go into creating a cool video right now. And once you're done, select the aspect ratio right here for your video right now, and do go on to clicking on render. You could also go on to selecting the AI voice which you want to use right now. As you can see, there are different AI voices right here which you could just simply take advantage of right now. And if you do select one, you can then just simply go into using one, click on render, and download this particular video on your device. Also guys, you can actually take advantage of this AI storyboard section to actually go on to maybe using the AI storyboard right now. You could just simply click on get started, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates right here. Supposing I just select one of these templates, I'm just going to go on to clicking on create video, and my video generation is actually in progress right now. So right here guys, you want to just simply go on to fixing in some details right here. Maybe you want to fix in a header right now. I'm just going to type in something random. So if I do type in something random, you want to also insert a subheader. I'm just going to put in something random also. So right now you could also go on to adding an image right here, and I'm just going to add in a random image right now, and I'm just going to click on add. For this insert speech section, I'm just going to put in something random also. I'm just doing this so that you can actually see how that looks like. So once you're done with this section right here, you want to just simply put in a plus icon right here to add in another scene. And once you are done, just simply click on convert to slide. And if you do click on convert to slide right here guys, you're going to see what's going to happen right now. So it's going to actually go on to creating a slide right here for you, and you can see how the slide actually looks like with my image right here. You can see that particular title and the subtitle right here, but it's actually loading up. You can see that better once it do load up successfully. You could also go on to adding more slides and editing that. Even in your slides, you can add in AI avatars right now, and do go on to creating a cool video right now. And if you do create a cool video about a CPA marketing offer right here, which is actually a gift card offer right now, since you actually did direct them to the link in the description of this particular video right now, because as you can see in the script right here, ChatGPT actually said be sure to check out the video and follow the instructions to enter the gift card giveaway. Remember the link in the video description. You will be your key to potentially transforming your day with an exciting victory. And you can see that it's a call to action for that CPA marketing offer, and this AI is actually going to go on to reading that. So once you do download a cool video right here or create a cool video on this platform, you can then just simply go on to promoting that on any social media platform of your choice right here, like YouTube. You could go on to uploading that video right here on YouTube, and make sure the link to your CPA marketing offer is actually available in the description of that particular video. And in doing that, you can drive a lot of traffic to that, because once that particular video goes viral or gets a lot of views, as you get views, a lot of people will be going on to the description to check out for that link and go on to completing that particular offer for them to stand a chance to win this gift card giveaway. And you're going to be getting some cool affiliate commission of $1.50 every single lead which you do get for this particular offer. So this is quite amazing. Start using this right now to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer and start earning money online. So that's it for now guys. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.